Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome back to another Press or Law Friday at 5. In this video, we're going to explore why you should be taking photographs and videos of the injury scene. Now, while it's still true that eyewitness testimony is some of the most impactful, especially in criminal cases, it's often routinely considered one of the most unreliable forms of testimony. One reason for this is that memory is a reconstructive process, and when a person is asked to recall a memory and the reconstructive process is put into effect, it's susceptible to distortion. Now, imperfection of memory has been known for a very long time. In fact, in 1885, a German psychologist conducted a study which led to what is now known as the forgetting curve. This curve illustrates how much of the event someone will be able to recall after the passage of time. And while there's still some debate over how the significance of events impact the ability to recall events, or how different methods for increasing memory affect the curve, there's no real debate that the passage of time affects one's ability to recall events. This is not to say everything someone may recall when asked months or years later in court is inaccurate. However, there's a good chance that at least some portion of it will be. Because of this, you need to be proactive in preserving information about your incident in which you've been injured. One common way to do this is by taking photographs or video of the scene and of your injuries. You can also locate witnesses and take down their names, addresses, and phone numbers. If you're unable to do this, but you're with someone who is, ask them to do it. There's nothing wrong with you protecting yourself from the inevitable combination of memory loss of the event and the wrongdoer denying responsibility. In fact, defense attorneys and insurance companies use photographs and videos all the time for this exact reason, and even try to paint an injury victim as a liar when their memory doesn't match up exactly what the photos or videos show. For example, when someone is injured on a business location which has security footage, that video is often withheld from voluntary production to the injury victim or their attorney so the business can try to see what the injury victim recalls and, more importantly, what they recalled incorrectly. So if you've been injured because someone else was negligent, it can be a frustrating experience. It can be even more frustrating down the road when there's no pictures or photographs of the scene, substance, or how the injury occurred, and the only witnesses are you and the at-fault party and their witness, who will say that they did nothing wrong. So protect yourself and document the scene, and turn your videos and photographs over to your attorney. We're there to fight for you, and these items can be very helpful to our investigation of the case. I hope you have a better understanding about the importance of documenting your injury and of the injury scene. For more information, visit my website at www.findyourjustice.com. Have a good Friday.